And manja manja. Today is Sunday, and usually in the Italian house we have spaghetti and the meatballs. But everybody's sick of pasta, so I'm going to make low fat, no sodium, homemade french fries just using red potatoes, no sodium spice, and delicious herbs, and just a splash of olive oil. First, I have to wash the potatoes, peel them, cut them up, and then I'll show you how I season them for a delicious, no sodium french fry treat that goes great with hamburgers, hot dogs, whatever you want to have. This is the most boring part, washing the potatoes. Splish splash, they were taking a bath. Beep dee dee beep beep. Beep dee dee beep beep. Beep dee dee beep beep. 1, 2, 3 more. Ding ding. When cutting potatoes, my advice is to use one of those carrot graters. They're easy to use, and you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. And if you're teaching your kid how to eat healthy, or your grandchild, and you want them to involved in the process of making delicious, healthy french fries, you could have them use, if they're trying to peel the potatoes or you want to teach them how to do it, those little graters, like the little carrot shredders. And then it makes, the cooking experience a lot safer. Just to be, careful, because you never know. So once you have all of this peeled, what you do is you just slice it in half, and you just cut french fry size strips going down. And I'll show you how it looks on the pan when it's done. Okay, now that you have all your potatoes cut, what you need to do is get a large size pan and just spray the pan with vegetable oil. This way the potatoes won't stick. Then you just take your potatoes and just spread them evenly onto the pan. Now what I do is I take some extra virgin organic olive oil and just sprinkle it over the top. And I take some salt-free seasoning, all-purpose blend, and just put a generous amount over the top, as much as you like, a little or as much as you like. I usually do one half a little more, the other half side a little less. Then I do some Italian seasonings. Rosemary. Oregano leaves. And a little parsley. Now you can use whatever seasonings you want. This is just the kind of seasonings I'll use. And you could just put as much on or as little on as you want. And this is what it should look like. Now you just put it in the oven at 425 for 40 minutes. And I'll show you the result and how delicious these can be. Healthy and delicious. And these are the homemade French fried potatoes out of the oven. Fresh, hot, and delicious. You can see a little got burnt, so you might want to go, instead of 40 minutes, try it at 30 minutes at first. 30 to 35 minutes. But they look good, don't they?